Hello and welcome back to Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are going to show you a walk-around startup and a drive video on this 1971 Chevrolet Z28 Camaro. This is a real Z28, and get this. This car came out of the Chicagoland area, and a buddy of mine was friends with the gentleman that bought this car brand new. It shows 44,000 original miles. It is a numbers matching engine and drivetrain. It is an absolute gorgeous car. Now 71 was the lowest, if I'm correct, the way I understood it, was lowest production number of Z28s produced. The body, paint, and interior on this car are absolutely stunning. You don't get this opportunity all the time to buy a one-owner Z28 with 44,000 miles on it. That's numbers matching. And the engine in this car was just overhauled. In fact, when I got the car, it still had the break-in oil in it. So there's the inside of the trunk. It's got the matching spare, jack instructions. The chrome bumpers are in good shape on this car. The stainless trim around the windows is very nice as well. There's no bubbles or blisters on the bottom of the car that I see. Door jambs, sill plates, carpeting, seats, headliner, dash, door panels, they're all in really nice shape. Package tray, sail panels. I know in the pictures it looks like that's a little faded, but it's just kind of how the camera is. It's not. There's the crystal clear dash. The only thing, I know the tack is not working on this car, and I checked the wire the other day, and I think I might have to put a new tack in it because it wasn't working. Radio works, wipers works, dash lights work. Blower motor works, defrost works. What a sweet car. And I drove this thing the other day too, and I'm gonna tell you what, this car runs and drives fantastic. Also appears to have the original carburetor on it. Here's how nice the paint is. It's got one small little imperfection, a couple little scratches right here. You can kind of see that. But just to have the opportunity to buy a car like this with, you know, so much provenance, with the one owner. Remember the original wheels off this car, and they are the original style polyglass tires. This thing has a great look. Power steering, power brakes, disc brakes on the front. Right air cleaner on it. What a gorgeous car. I'll take some pictures of the undercarriage here in just a little bit for you as well. Man, oh man, what a beauty. 71 Z28. Man, I tell you what, These cars have really grown on me here in the last few years. 70, 71, 72s. You know, and some people are all crazy about the split bumpers, but I don't care if it's a solid bumper or split bumper or what it is. I think they're all super cool. And this thing is just spectacular. That's just how it should look, folks. You know, when you seen this car roll off the assembly line in 1971, this is exactly how it would look. The right wheels, the right tires, the right stance. Nice little tripod of gauges down there, Stewart Warner gauges, factory radio. This thing drives excellent, rides nice. This is a really good one. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, KINION auto.com. What an awesome car. Plenty of power too. All the lights work. The brakes are really good. They don't pull or pulsate. Keep you right in a straight line. Walk around quick. It always helps to do a walk around outside because, you know, sometimes the cars they just look different when they're sitting outside. Like the paint is way brighter outside than it was inside the showroom there. If you're looking for a 71 Z28, look no further, because this car will check all your boxes. 4-speed transmission, numbers matching, 44,000 original miles. And when you drive this car, you can tell that it's a 44,000 mile car. It runs and drives. You just went for a ride. We'll go for another one here, but it runs and drives spectacular. Just a gorgeous car. This is a collector car, so if you're looking to add one of these to your collection, give us a call. Again, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. They don't come around like this every day. That's why when I had the opportunity to buy this car, I said I'll take it. I didn't have to ask any more questions. I seen the car one day when we were at this gentleman's house, and he said I might sell that someday, and someday came, and I'm glad it did. There we go. Turn that blower motor off. Don't need that on. Clarence, Iowa. Again, 563-452-2450. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you watching all my videos. Have a great weekend, everyone.